In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to a Trello board. If you're managing projects or collaborating with a team, Trello is a fantastic tool to keep everything organized. It's simple, intuitive, and today we'll go over how you can invite others to your board to get the most out of this platform. To get started, head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by signing up. For those who already have an account, click on Login. You can either use your email and password, or for a quicker process, you can log in using your Google account. This integration makes it so much easier if you're already familiar with Google's suite of products. Once logged in, navigate to the Boards section. This is your main hub where all your Trello boards are visible. In this area, you'll want to focus on the Your Workspaces section. This is where you'll find the board you want to work with. Click on that specific board to enter it. Inside your board, your next step is to click on the Share button. This is typically located towards the top of your board interface. Once you click Share, you'll see an option to Create Link. This feature allows you to generate a unique link that you can share with others. However, before sharing this link, it's crucial to manage permissions properly. Click on Change Permissions, which will give you two primary options: setting the invitees as members or observers. Members can make changes and fully interact with the board, while observers can only view the board without making any modifications. Choose the level of access that suits your needs. With the permissions set, click on Copy Link. Now this link is ready to be sent to anyone you want to invite to your board. It's a great way to quickly add members by simply pasting the link in an email or a message. If sending a link isn't quite what you're looking for, there's another method. You can manually add individuals by typing their email addresses directly. After entering their email, you should see their name pop up. Click on it and you'll have another option to select whether they are a member or an observer. This process ensures that you're adding exactly who you want with the right permissions directly to the board. Finally, make sure to click on the Share button again to confirm all these changes. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and manage members on your Trello board. By following these steps, you can effectively collaborate and keep everyone on the same page. Thank you for tuning in, and happy Trelloing!